If you encounter billing errors on Lovo.ai, it's important to address them promptly to ensure accurate charges and maintain your account. Follow these steps to resolve any issues efficiently. Step 1. Review your billing statement. Check your billing statement carefully for any discrepancies. Look for incorrect charges, unexpected fees, or missed payments to identify the specific error. Step 2. Gather relevant information. Collect all necessary information related to the billing error. This includes your account details, transaction history, and any correspondence with Lovo.ai regarding the issue. Step 3. Contact customer support. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use SROC to constantly monitor your email accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breach records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 4. Follow up. If you do not receive a response within a reasonable timeframe, follow up with customer support. Reference your previous communication and reiterate the urgency of resolving the billing error. Step 5. Monitor your account. After the issue has been reported and addressed, keep an eye on your account and future billing statements. Ensure that the corrections have been made and that no further errors occur. By following these steps, you can effectively resolve billing errors on Lovo.ai and maintain a smooth experience with their services.